Select port 5. The baud rate is the most commonly used 115,200. Enter the data you need to send in the input box. Click Open to send data. Send cycle selection 100 milliseconds. Check cycle, it will keep sending. Next, click Auto on the oscilloscope. You can see, the oscilloscope displays the data being sent and received. Adjusting the trigger edge of the oscilloscope. Adjust to the data we need. Next step is to adjust the time base. Increase time base, data is amplified. Use the knob to put the data in the middle. Follow me and see how these are connected. DX of the serial port means sending. Connect the red and blue wires. This forms a loop transmission and reception. Then use the oscilloscope probe to clamp it in the middle of the loop line. Ensure the oscilloscope is able to capture data. Usually their ground wires are connected to each other. Then plug it into the computer. Now you understand how to use an oscilloscope to measure and capture data from a serial transceiver.